Hi, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. I sell on places like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have something a little different. It is trash week currently here in Illinois. And I called my mom up and we went and we drove around and we picked up trash to either keep for ourselves personally or sell locally or online. So I'm going to take you out to my truck and see what we have. Come join. Okay, so here we have a turtle sandbox and the lid is in good condition, and these flip locally on Facebook very quickly for at least $10. And then over here in the corner we have a metal crate which I will sell locally as well. Here's the back of my car, or truck I should say. It is packed full. Some of this stuff was still in bags, but it was from a nice house and it's mainly home decor and Christmas decorations. I also back here have a water table. It needs cleaned up, but I'm going to give that to my niece. Okay, so I just opened up this garbage bag and this lady likes to shop at Target. We have here in like new condition some Just Believe pillows and some new birch candles. I love these. Let's see where they're from. Look at that, $13 a piece. That's crazy. And this stuff was all on the curb for free. Cute little gnome box. This is a snowman. He's cute. He's got this little hood. He stands up. And then here is a poinsettia bulb. It's kind of heavy. You hang it. And then this cute little frosted tree. Okay, so next we have a Melissa and Doug chore board. I have a few of these that we personally use, so I will sell this one locally. This cute Christmas rug in like new condition, and then this I have not gone through, but just by looking in it, it looks like little boy clothes, like baby boy. So I will most likely either donate or I put them for cheap on Facebook. Here we have a cute wood-backed piece of art. We have some outdoor pillows, super cute. I think those are Allen and Roth. Yeah. Here we have some metal lanterns. Those are cute. Outdoor solar lights that are battery powered. In case you don't get enough sun. Here's a nice plaque. We have a cute Christmas wreath. And look at these. There is a set of all these VTech cordless phones. So I will sell these as a lot. And some do quite well still, which is surprising. This was my favorite to keep for my supplies. Here's a 1978 game. A 6-inch American Girl doll. Princess Diana Beanie Baby. Let me know what your favorite find was. My mom, I also stopped because I found this really cute light fixture that looked like my mother. So we backed up and I picked it up, and I'll put a picture of it up here in the corner. It would look really great at their lake house. So my mom did pretty well too. She got some good posts and she got some pillows. I took a picture real quick up here. I believe she got some rugs and a hot coal back by Schwann's. So we had fun. We live in a rural area. It was a town of probably 15,000 and we did it for about 2 hours. So this is what we have. Most of it will be sold locally. A few of the smaller things will be put online for sale. And if you see anything that you're interested in, please send me a message or comment down below. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.